natin yung unit natin mga choy. This is Pearl White 1x4 64W. Look at mga choy, nice pen. We have bumper, steel bumper, bag lamp. We have off-road type and fender, and also the side mirror cover light. Rope rack came from Japan. This is dual sliding door. Look at mga choy. Nice kayo mga setup. This is 9 inches 9 inches stereo with dust cam with electric fan mga choy. Requested sa buyer. Look at the leather weight. Good kayo mga choy. Nice kayo ang setup. This is off-road setup mga choy. Warrior atong tire mag with design wood gallon and also the back. Para tayo third center here mga choy. Requested na itong buyer with speedboard. Ang talang niya 4W. Dual sliding door mga choy. Ang sinatanan. This is studio. That is also trading. Good morning mga choy. God bless. This is 64W 4x4 Matic Turbo. Thank you and good morning.